Hi, Matt Buyer Organizing with the High Lift Pro product review. First, I'm going to show how easy it is to install this product. Then I'm going to share my review. So I'm on the job site today and we are decluttering a garage. Got it all out in the driveway. It's all going to go back into the garage organized. And this is the Pulley here that I'm going to be hanging up. It's going to go right there in that second beam. And first step to do is get all your parts from the box out on a table. You know, I always like to start with a clear work surface for processing. And I want to make sure you have all the parts included, and I do. We're good to go. The rule of thumb is you want to simply divide the length of the Pulley in half. It's 91.5 inches. So let's say 45 inches. That is going to be the space between the two pulleys. So I've got that marked out, and I'm going to start marking the pulley holes and drilling them in. I forgot to get footage of the rope hook, which looks like this boat cleat. I needed to think in advance where this needs to go in relation to the rear pulley. In this case, it made sense in the upper left corner of the door frame, so that the door can still open freely. Both pulleys need to face the same direction, with the pulley wheels at the back. The rear pulley should have the brake, the little latch, in the back. Tie a knot to secure the rope on the front pulley. Loop rope through first hanging pulley. Be sure the strap from it is hanging inward. Now thread the rope through the right rear pulley wheel, under the brake, down into the right hole, up into the left hole, and into the left pulley wheel. Now thread the rope through the rear hanging pulley. Again, be sure the strap from it is hanging inward. Finally, loop the rope back up into the final hole of the pulley block and secure it with a knot. Position the Pulley cargo box under the pulleys and wrap the included strap around it and through the hanging pulley loops. Now everything is in place and you can start pulling on the free ropes to hoist the Pulley cargo box to the ceiling. Tie off the loose rope on the hook like a boat cleat. Reverse the last loop to secure it. I like this product. For this large Pulley cargo box, my client saved about 22.5 feet of garage floor space. The assembly is easier than other lifts. There is a variety with a crank instead of a rope that allows you to drop it straight down, but we don't need that. This is also a more affordable option at about 50 bucks. The brake on the pulley works very much like the release on Venetian blinds. You need to pull it at an angle to release it. It may not be as smooth an operation as a hand crank would be, but if the use is infrequent, it's not that great a hardship. For more easy organizing tips and product reviews, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.